3, 2, 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ika Gambar Listiani. You can call me Ika. I'm fifth semester Mathematics Education student at UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. My ID number is 11210170000022. The Honorable Miss Komida Siti Nur Atiko as a lecturer in English Mathematics courses. I made this video to fulfill the final semester exam. Here I will discuss quadratic equation. So, we want to solve the given quadratic equation by completing the square roots. Completing the square is one of many methods for solving a quadratic equation. Completing a perfect square is a method of converting the general into a perfect square from such as x plus 1 square or 2x minus t square. This method converts the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 becomes the form x squared plus bx plus b divided by 2 square equals b divided by 2 square minus c. X minus b divided by 2 square equals b divided by 2 square minus c. Now this video does assume you have already watched the mini lesson of completing the square, which outline the following 5 steps for completing the square. If you haven't, you might want to watch that video or at least pause the video and copy this step down. So, going to our problem to complete the square. Sarah is planning a rectangular garden in the backyard. The length of the garden is 4 meters longer than its width. If the area of the garden is 21 square meters, find the dimension of the garden. Now we can set up the equation A equals L times W. Substituting the expression for A and L. We have 21 equals W plus 4 times W. Now set the equation equals to 0. We have W squared plus 4W minus 21 equals 0. Next, we will use complete square roots method to solve the problem. The first step is going to be to move this constant term to the right side of the equation. So we are going to add 21 to both sides of the equation. We are also going to set this up so we can make the left side a perfect square trinomial. So we are going to have W squared plus 4W. Notice how this 0, but we are going to add a constant here to make this a perfect square trinomial. On the right side, we have 21, then if we add a constant here on the left, to maintain equality, we'll also have to add a constant on the right. Remember, here is to make this a perfect square trinomial, we need to constant here that's equals to b divided by 2 square, where b is the coefficient of the middle term. Notice her b equals 4, so b divided by 2 square equals 2 square equals 4. So we need to add 4 here on the left, but to maintain equality, we also need to add 4 on the right. So we have W squared plus 4W plus 4 equals 21 plus 4. And now, we are going to factor the left and combine the terms on the right. This is going to be a perfect square trinomial. We'll start by factoring this into 2 binomial factors. Notice on the right, we have 25. So we have the factor of W squared, W and W factor of positive 4 that add to 4 would be 2 and 2. So we have plus 2 here and plus 2 here. And now, we can write this as a perfect square where we have the quality W plus 2 square equals 25. And now, we're going to use square roots to solve for W. We can undo this squaring her by taking the square root of both sides of the equation. Remember, when we do this, we will have a plus minus sign here. So we can obtain our solution to this equation. The left would simplify to one factor of v plus 2, and on the right, the square root of 25 equals 5. So we have plus minus 5. So to solve for w, the last step is to add negative 2 to both sides of the equation. So we have w equals 5 minus 2 equals 3, and w equals negative 5 minus 2 equals negative 7. For w equals negative 7, discard the solution since width cannot be negative. Therefore, the dimension of the garden are w equals 3 and L equals w plus 4 equals 3 plus 4 equals 7. So that's how to solve quadratic equation with complete square roots. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.